Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video I'm going to show you how to add new page on Google Docs mobile. So here I've already opened the Google Docs apps and I'm going to open a document. For example, okay, so this one's right here. No, not this one. Okay, so this one's okay, so here is the document that I want to open, and I'm going to just click on the pencil icon first, and then I'm going to change the layout into print layout. Just click on the three dots icon and activate this print layout until it turns to blue like this, so that if I add a new page it will become visible like this. So these are two different pages, and I'm going to just scroll down until the end of the file. Okay, so this is the end of the file. I'm going to put the cursor at the end of the file, and then what you need to do next is click on a plus icon at the top and then scroll down until you find a page break. Click on that and you can see now the new page has been added like this. Okay, so that is how to add new page in Google Docs mobile. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.